Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok video private full guide. So if this video helps, like and subscribe to the channel and gives me motivation to do videos just like this. And if you want me to do a different video or have any other suggestions, so just comment. So first of all, open up the TikTok application mobile phone. Just open up TikTok. Just wait for it to load. It also works on your computer, so don't worry. And yeah, this is your For You page as you see here. But what we need to do is at top right, bottom right corner, click on profile. And then what you simply do is here's going to show your videos, and if you click on this lock save thing, it's going to show your private videos. To make your videos only visible to you, set them to private in settings. So then click on the video you want to make private. Let's say you want to make this video private, so click on it. What we simply then need to do is click on these three dots, and you can click on add privacy settings here. Then click on who can watch this video, friends, only you, and only you makes it so only you and friends, people who follow you back. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you, like and subscribe.